Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a sequence that matches your screen. Resolution and frame rate matter for smooth motion. Next, make sure Premiere's capture tools are visible, open the source monitor, and arrange your workspace so controls are at hand. Plug in and select your microphone and system audio. This prevents syncing problems later. Once done, practice a short capture to confirm levels. You're starting immediately, so set clear recording inputs. This reduces rework and keeps your final edit clean and consistent. Now record your screen with a dedicated capture tool, making sure its output codec and frame rate match your sequence. This avoids re-encoding. After recording, import via Media Browser to preserve metadata and create proxies if the file is heavy. Proxies speed editing. Once clips are in, align video and audio by waveform or use merge clips with timecode for precise sync. Make sure to label takes and set in /out points. That saves time when you cut and when you need to stack multiple screen layers. Finish by trimming and polishing. Add callouts, zooms, and nested sequences to isolate actions. Use the transform effect to keyframe smooth pans. Small-scale adjustments look professional. For export, choose H. 264, match source, and 2-pass encoding with a target bitrate appropriate for 1080p. This balances quality and file size. If you encounter audio drift or video stutter, make sure frame rates match. If not, re-export from your capture app or conform the clip in Clip Modify Interpret Footage. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.